So we're going to look at how to do a post with REST assured now. So if we go back to our API documentation, we can see that when we call a post, this is adding a new game to the database. So when we do this, we need to send some data for it to be added, a body essentially. So we can actually populate this here so that we have some code to copy over. So let's just change a few of the details that we're starting to send. We're going to give it an ID of 11. We'll call it my new game. We can leave the release date. We'll set the review score to 50. We'll give it a category of driving, a rating of, let's say, mature. So if we sent that now, that would be sent to our database, and we can be confident that that works okay. So let's just copy. We'll copy that string for now. We'll leave that in our clipboard, and then let's start writing a new post test. We'll say @test. We'll say public void create new game. And we're going to do this one by JSON. We'll see how to do it by XML as well, but first of all we'll do it by JSON. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a string with that JSON that we just copied to our clipboard. So I'll call this string game body JSON. And I'm just going to literally paste from the clipboard. So that was the game. That's the game. That's the data that I copied there, and I'm just pasting it into here so that we've got our game data stored in a string for us. Let's now write our test in REST assured. So we do again a given, and this time we need to add something into the given. So this time we're going to add this string body into our given request. So this gets added as a parameter for the body before we actually execute the API call. That's why it goes into the given block. So we'll say given body, and we'll just add in game body JSON. So we've put this game body JSON into our given request. So we now do the rest and just in the way that we've seen already. So now that we've got the given, we can add in when. And instead of doing a get as we've been doing, we're going to do a post because we're doing a post call now. So we post. And we post to the same endpoints as we'd seen before, so we'll just pull endpoints video games. If we remember, that's just this /video games endpoint. Let me just tidy this up slightly, put that onto a new line. Oops. That dot there. Move that dot there. And then we'll add in our then call here as well, just for completion. And one more dot. So let's go ahead and run this test and see if our post takes place. So we should actually be posting a new video game to the database, and then we'll check manually by making a get call to see if it's there. So we'll run this test first. The test will run after a few seconds, and we have a success. Okay, let's look in Fiddler and see what was sent. We can see a call's been recorded here, and we can see the data that was sent here. We can see it was JSON data, and we've had a response. The record was added successfully. Let's also check in the database. So if we just call all of the video games again, I'll change that to JSON so it's a bit clearer. So if we look at all of the games that have come back, and we can see we've added our new game there successfully. So that's the post working successfully. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.